Hey, just welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is something that you can wear during like a wedding or something. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So they give you guys one of these and one of these. And if you guys look at the inside, there's like a hair clip option. So you guys can clip this onto here. So obviously the way how they designed this is meant for women. So obviously it won't look as good on me, but I still put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So what you're gonna do is just put this on, and you probably want to clip this onto here, if you guys have any here. So if you guys are curious about what the product looks like when you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. If you guys notice, the one that we got right here is a green color. They do have this available in other color design as well. So if you guys want a different color, you do want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But I mean, see, when I do set it up, it actually looks pretty nice. I didn't even need to use a headband option or even a clip. And when you guys do put it on, it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. It actually feels pretty comfortable. It feels like it actually has a pretty good grip on here when you guys do put it on. And you do have the option to adjust this how you guys want to. So if you guys want to move it to the left or the right or up and down, you guys can adjust it how you guys want to. And for those of you guys who care about when is the perfect time for you guys to use one of these, you probably want to use it for like a special event, like a wedding or something. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are attending some kind of special event anytime soon. Like maybe like a wedding or a Great Gatsby themed event. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.